Dry powder ball pressing machine is widely used in metallurgy, chemical industry, resistant materials, and other industries. Its equipment is mainly used for non-water parts of the material ball pressing block. It is very necessary to carry out daily maintenance of dry powder ball press. In the process of use, we should check the ball press regularly to solve problems in time. The shorter the repair cycle, the more reliable the operation of the equipment. First of all, regular and depending on the combination of maintenance method. Regular maintenance stage. Although the dry powder ball press has stable performance and high working intensity, it is also necessary to do a good job of maintenance when working. The specific situation can be executed according to the instructions. In order to future investment in the maintenance method. From the long-term benefits, dry powder ball press maintenance should be carried out before the failure of the ball press. We should provide for a targeted maintenance inspection of the ball press. In a unified cycle, found hidden faults, immediate solution.